Join me as I dive into the latest market trends and challenge myself to predict where LCID stock is headed next. LCID stock has been a hot topic on the minds of investors and analysts alike. Its relationship with the current market dynamics has ignited curiosity and conversation. With the electric vehicle sector gaining traction, understanding LCID's position is more relevant than ever. However, it hasn't all been smooth sailing for LCID. Market volatility has left many investors feeling uneasy. Fluctuations in prices and external factors are causing uncertainty. Additionally, increasing competition in the EV space adds another layer to the challenges LCID faces. Rivals like Tesla and emerging startups are gunning for market share, making it crucial for LCID to carve out its unique space. Investor sentiment plays a critical role too, with many feeling cautious. This can affect stock performance significantly. Recent market trends have brought some interesting insights. Experts are analyzing data that shows the ebbs and flows of LCID's price movements. For instance, interest in their latest technological advancements and production capabilities seems to bounce back after dips. Analysts are closely monitoring key indicators such as sales projections and overall market appetite for EVs, which can directly impact LCID stock. Those who dig deeper into the data often spot patterns which might suggest a rally or a downturn ahead. Insights from industry experts also shed light on LCID's future. Many predict a turnaround due to upcoming product launches and strategic partnerships. Conversations around financial stability and growth potential are heating up, sparking optimism among certain investors. Any game-changing news, such as new financing or innovative technologies, could significantly shift the market perception of LCID. Summarizing the key points, while LCID stock faces some real challenges, expert analysis shows potential for rebound based on market trends and company developments. Keeping an eye on the landscape will be essential for investors looking to capitalize on opportunities. If you enjoyed this dive into LCID stock, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts or predictions in the comments below.